You might have heard of Clever. Clever is an application that we use in the technology world to connect your students to different applications, and they can then use their Google sign-in to get there. We do that for things like MobyMax and your Wit and Wisdom curriculum, etc. But you have the ability to create a teacher page in Clever. So if the students click on Clever on their iPad, you can have a page sitting there for them, and you can put links and you can put PDFs, which is kind of handy. This is really good for our K2 students, especially in the shared iPad model, but it could be handy for everyone. We can also print out badges where the students hold up a QR code to their camera on their iPad and it signs them in. So let's look at this. We're going to go to clever.com. We're going to select teacher or staff, select our school, and sign in with Google. Once we're there, we can go to My Students. I want to show you what this looks like. All of your rosters are there, and you can click download login badges. Those are the little QR codes that your students can hold up to the camera. Obviously, your older students wouldn't need that, but anyone's with accommodations or some of our youngers that might be helpful for. If students open Clever on their iPad, they can do one of two things. They can hold up their badge or they can sign in with their school email. So whichever works better for your students. Let's take a look at teacher pages. So these are here by default, and notice the one that's here says all students can view it. You can create multiple pages for multiple classes if you want to and assign it to certain students. But when they sign in, they're going to see this. So you have the ability to add PDFs, links, and apps. Apps just mean the built-in apps that Clever already has. And you don't need to do that because it'll already be in their iPads. So let's add a link. I'm going to search for a link, copy it, and paste in the link URL, give it a title, and give it an image, and then I add the link. What's nice is students can see this link, and there's where you would upload a PDF. So you can see it doesn't replace Google Classroom, but if you want students to navigate to a certain site, it's kind of handy. So what I can do is hit the three dots and actually open this for my students. I can pick which classes and which students see it. So the teacher pages and the badges might make life a little bit easier, especially for our shared iPad models. Please reach out if you have any questions.